Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 5-pack Hot Wheels. And we've got the different vehicles in here. And you can see the art there. GTN 43 is the number for all these. Here's all the cars that are in there. I can just read them off as we take them out. We got these vehicles out now, and let's take a look. First of all, we have the 2011 Dodge Charger RT, the Batcopter, no wheels spinning on this, the Dark Knight Batmobile, Tumbler, Bedlam, and Velocita, which would be Harley Quinn in this set. Alright, now let's take a closer look at these vehicles. We are going to start off with the 2011 Charger RT. Dodge Charger RT. We got black 5-spoke wheels on this one. It says Metropolis and some Latin, I think, on the side. 1827 with Dodge and the Hot Wheels logo. Very cool casting. We got the police and blue stripes. It says Superman right there. Metropolis. Got a sunroof. Here's the front of the vehicle. Nice grille. No painted headlights. Here's the other side of our 2011 Charger RT from the 2021 Batman 5-pack. Interior, you can see the interior right there. And back of the casting, cool casting. I love this one. And a plastic base, dark gray, made in Indonesia. All these cars are made in Indonesia. Here's the Bat plane. This time, we got it in a metal flake black. So this one is a metal flake black, and I got more of like a shiny gloss black one here. This is from the 2011 Batman 5-pack, and this is the 2021 Batman 5-pack. As you can see, they changed the base from metal to plastic. And let's see if this gun still moves. Not much. I don't think the gun ever used to move. Got those shooters out the sides, and it's got the rotating wing, which is pretty cool. And there it is, metal flake black 2021 Batman 5-pack. This is the Batcopter, plastic base, made in Indonesia as well. Here you are as a look at it. Alright, now let's take a look. The Dark Knight Batmobile. Oh, wow. Very light, I can tell you that right now. And the newest version, I believe, of this is a treasure hunt for the 2022 mainline. So all the top is plastic right now, I can tell you that. And we've got blower wheels in the back and the chrome blue MC5s in the front. Not much detail on the top, unfortunately. The base is die-cast. See the base right there. Dark Knight Batmobile. The Dark Knight Batmobile from the Tumbler. And, yeah. Alright. Now we're going to take a look at Bedlam. I can tell you right now, this one's also really light. And this is the Joker. And it says bang, 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 Joker logos on the side. And we got PR5 rims with a yellow lip on them. You can see the back there, not much detail. Here's the top, blown engine, green windows, chrome interior. Here's the other side of it. Die-cast base with a 2003 copyright. I actually have one of the first editions. This is from the 2004 first edition series. So I got the first and the last edition. I wonder if they're still gonna make this Bedlam. They've been making it for a long time, and it's kind of like a fantasy car that no one likes. So maybe they'll stop making it. I don't know. Harley Quinn in the Velocita, and this one has more weight to it, because I can tell you that white is all die-cast. You can see that, the art right there. Harley Quinn, and we got the heart, diamond, club, and spade. And we've got OH5 rims, open hole 5-spoke, with a painted white, and the tire is blue on the back, red in the front. 2014 Mattel, made in Indonesia. 2014 is the copyright on the casting. Interior is chrome with a blue window. You can see DC Comics right there. TM and DC Comics. Here's the back of the Velocita. And there you are, the base, plastic blue. I just opened up the 2021 Batman 5-pack. And I'm going to put all the other vehicles away and line all these ones up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.